To be a woman is to be locked in a box, to obey, to submit, to stay silent. That is what the society has told us over and over and over again. From the very beginning, women were denied the grandeur men enjoyed, confined in the comfort of our homes, bound to chores, carrying burdens we did not choose. Think of Sisa. Her husband drinks, with no remorse for the family left at home. Sisa suffers. She endures alone. Her pain was written on a page, but her story is ours. Women had no property, no power, no choice. Everything belonged to men. We were reduced to objects of pleasure, as if being born a woman was already a sin. In World War II, thousands of women were forced into horrors they did not choose. Their voice crashed into silence. So, I ask you, when will we rise? The fight is not new. Since 1848, women and those who stood beside them have shouted for equality, and yet still, society tests us. Stereotypes, limitations, doubts, always another wall to break. If life is a game, women play in the hardest mode. Every level is tougher, every enemy is stronger, and yet we are still here, still standing firm, still persistently rising. But this is bigger than us. This is about society. So look closely. Look at how women are portrayed. Look at the roles forced upon us. Open your eyes, open your mind, and ask yourself, what difference can you make? Because when women rise, when we rise, society rises with us.